Pablo Escobar Museum. What a great. Okay, we're here, guys.
Yes, my friend. It's the same. We don't charge more. No, we have the second option. Let me ask you first. You come with tourist? No. Okay, the second option is a full tour of the tour of Paulo that includes all the museum, and after we take you around the city, physical stops. First stop the museum. The second stop is a Catholic statue in the street with the Mr. Paulo people that we call Mystic Virgin. The third stop is the cemetery where Paulo is buried. And the last stop is a memorial park that remembered all the victims that died in the earthquake. The full tour starts 1 p.m., takes 3 hours, all the tour. And the price is $200,000 per person.
Okay. Gotcha. That's the one we want. Yeah.
And it starts 1 p.m. So you choose guys if you want to take the tour. You just wait. You make your reservation. 1 p.m. Hola, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos. Viene con el modo para que pueda hacer.
Who wasn't happy? That guy, because he killed him in the U.S. Okay, visa was revoked. Gas tank is bulletproof too. Why this way, you guys? Because back in the 80s, no teeth for glasses, and he bought it all out in clean. So making combos, of course. Police shoot him. He was there 21 times, and the open affection for guards was more, way more, triple, 66-9 ambush, war weapons, glasses, AK-47, 9mm Glock, 10 caliber shotgun, but come to see this one here in the handle, 30 cal sniper rifle.
Oh wow. This is that. Yeah.
And he said to Pilot, you're gonna come? $30 million in there. And Pilot was like, you. There's no way, you boss, I can do that. I'll go so overloaded and will crash. And you lose everything. Me, plane, and money. The planes both are cargo planes. And those can go 10,000 pounds each trip. Arabian Ranch for 40, and this is his private jet to go everywhere. One helipad, but they were 3. One runaway, but they were 10 airports here.
It's 14 hours leaving today and with the stopping.
It's online? It's online too.
Yeah. Many people say from outside.
Orange? Portugal?
Where are you from?
Tangerine?
All you see here is completely brand new. And back on the days, mountains here were completely empty. Which is why he could do that. But also, money. Well, here.
And the Papa Saint only boy of Atocha. Family is here, so parents, siblings, and nephew. Parents, Hermita Cabrera, Pablo Escobar. 1, 2, and 3.
Cool.
De casualidad manejamos algún tipo de receta.
Oh, you have to see Patron for
¿Pero te la mandaron? No la llames.
But you're coming up here to him, and you're gonna look at him.
Got it.
Oh, so shy, but a boss. Like Kaiser, so sick for unexpected. German patron. Pablo spoke German, man. Cosa que le voy a enseñar son, en primer lugar, en la estrategia que Pablo tenía de interconnected properties underground by tunnels. I'm gonna show you a couple of buildings to be connected by this tunnel. And remember, it was possible and plausible because nothing around used to exist. Okay? Y la placa de la que yo hablaba y estas son the carbon was located where you could read the letters in the building Toscano, but here in this side of the sidewalk. The building was located like in front of these trees. The window, that height, and like
It's both of them attractive children.
so one of these, you know, one night stands she killed here. And the brother who died car accident, nanny and mom. Drunk auntie and sister from mom's side, and chauffeur parents. Drunk uncle from father's side now, and
you.